motherfucker. If I could get out of this, man.
Yeah? Well, you can't.
You bastard.
You pulled the trigger. It just took this long for the bullet to hit.
Who are you?
I prefer Gennaro's, but what do I know? I'm a bear. I suck the heads off fish.
That's it. That's the true story of what happened last Christmas. There was some pretty harsh shit with the old guy back there, right?
Are you actually talking to me right now?
Fuck him. Don't worry about him. Anyhow, so, thanks for coming. Thanks for taking the trip to LA with me.
So, what was the movie about exactly?
I mean, if I had to sum it up, and I do, because, you know, it's like the end, I would say that this movie is about friendship. Friendship is
What are you doing?
Is sacred. I'm just trying to wrap up the movie and leave the people with a message. And
I've got a message for you.
All right.
Get your feet off my fucking desk.
sorry, I work for Perry now.
And stop narrating.
I'll go through.
That's it. Please stay for the end credits. If you're wondering who the best boy is, it's someone's nephew. Don't forget to validate your parking. And for all of you good people in the Midwest, sorry we said fuck so much. Say goodnight.
Thanks again.
Now go. Vanish.
Whatever. Ashy was so good. You were talking to characters on TV. Or that was me. Or you. I don't know. Point is, you were talking to characters on TV. And now I'm talking to you through a mirror. Or you're talking to me.